Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix when Chrome is showing keeps stopping or Google Chrome is not responding on your Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps. Open it. Search for Google Chrome. Tap on it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Manage Storage. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then open your Play Store. Search for Google Chrome. If you found any update available for your Chrome browser, then update it from here. In my case, there is no update available. Once your update process is completed, I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.